Before telescope, there was Aryabhata. In 500 AD, Aryabhata said Earth rotates on its axis without ever leaving Earth. He calculated eclipses, the value of pi, and the length of solar year. When stargazing met science, boom, Aryabhata. Follow for more cosmic desi facts. The British were terrified of one man. No. Before NASA, before Galileo, before telescopes, ancient Indian scholars were already mapping the movement of planets and stars with stunning accuracy. How did they know so much so early? Let's uncover how ancient India mapped the solar system with nothing but math, observation, and genius. The roots of Indian astronomy go back to the Rig Veda over 3000 years ago. It describes celestial bodies, solstice eclipse, and even accurate estimation of Earth's orbit. Texts like Vedanga Jyotisha were used to calculate lunar months, eclipse, and the position of constellations for ritual and calendars. This was not just mythology, it was observation-based science recorded in poetic form. In 499 CE, Aryabhata, one of the India's greatest mathematician and astronomer, wrote the Aryabhatiya. He correctly stated that the Earth rotates on its axis, explained lunar and solar eclipses without mythology, and gave near accurate values for the length of the year 365.3586 days. He also developed models to calculate the position of planets using trigonometry centuries before Europeans adopted these ideas. Ancient Indian astronomers like Brahmagupta, Varahahimira, and Bhaskara I and II expanded on Aryabhata's work. They accurately tracked planetary orbits, retrograde motion of planet, and even understood that the moon reflects sunlight and not its own light. A Surya Siddhanta, a 4th century Sanskrit text, contains astronomical constants that are incredibly close to the modern values, including the diameters and distance of the planets. So, how did they do all this? Ancient Indians used gnomons, water clocks, and observations like Ujjain and Jantar Mantar for naked astronomy. They used advanced trigonometry, spherical geometry, and long-term sky observation. No telescope, no computer, just sheer intellect. The knowledge later traveled to the Arab world and then to Europe, forming the backbone of what we now call modern astronomy. Long before the space age, ancient Indians had already cracked many secrets of the sky. They did not just stargaze, they calculated, recorded, and mapped the cosmos with math, poetry, and pure observation. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, drop your comments, and subscribe for more epic stories from India's ancient brilliance.